Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a working sign up page. But first you need to decide whether you need simple data collection like newsletters, waitlist and so on, or full user authentication where users can log in to access hidden content. Now, if you only need to collect user information without a logging system, use Framer's native form build. So open the insert right here at the top left corner and then go to forums and drag a forum component onto your page. So here find the forum component, so forum builder. Let's give it a go here. Now what you need to do is select the forum and add inputs. So you have here the examples, so name, email, and location, and the submit button. Now here on the left side you will see this, so it's easier that you just go through this menu here. So you have name, you can change it if you want. So you give it a different title here and for different input, and this is also for email or for the location. And here at the end you have the button. So every setting you can do here on the right side. You have um, this menu with the tools which you need. Now select the whole forum, and what you need to do now is basically scroll down here at the top right and find the section forum, and you will select send to. So send to email, webhook, Google Sheets. So if you select emails, submission are sent directly to your inbox. Then if you select webhook, use services like ForumSpark or Authenticiful to send data to Google Sheets, Slack, or so on. You can also have directly Google Sheets. Then what you can do is also add more of them if you want, and redirect also link to, let's say, home to the top, something like that. And you can also add tracking ID. Now, to allow users to create account and log in, you must use a dedicated membership plugin. So these are Framer out, Tenti, Outseta, Des Scope, but this is for membership, dedicated membership plugins. So right now, sadly, I can't show you. So I hope that this video helped you out a little bit with the forum builder. So if you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.